My name is Amy Cowan. I teach voice at Virginia Tech, and I'm a mom of two. And I've been coming to see Dr. Joy Yang since August of last year, and I found that tremendously helpful. Dr. Yang graduated from one of the top medical traditional Chinese medicine schools in China, and many of her classmates are now working at the front lines with the coronavirus. And I would like to know what I can do to protect my family going forward, and I don't think there's anybody more equipped to answer that question than Dr. Joy Yang.
Right now, actually the news also reporting in United States say the Chinese medicine have a good results treat for the coronavirus compared, to the Western medicine. Actually, I have they sent me some information about how the comparison study of Chinese medicine and Western medicine, and
so new.
Yeah, it's so quick. They have to really treat the people there.
Right.
So they don't have really do research.
You don't have time to be doing a side study.
So this but this is from what they can do is the first-hand information right now.
Yeah.
So the president of the traditional Chinese medicine University of Tianjin, Zhang Boli, who is also a famous Chinese medicine doctor, he needed a group of TCM doctors to treat the coronavirus patient in Wuhan, and this is a study result they did. And from this table, we can see the difference between the Chinese medicine treatment and the conventional medicine treatment. The first is the average days stay at the hospital is Chinese medicine is 2 to 3 days shorter, and the recovery rate is around 30% difference, and also the symptoms recovery difference, and the whole recovery rate. Chinese medicine is 91% and the conventional medicine is 61%. And also the rate of getting worse is also have huge differences. We can see 6% versus 35%. And also the mortality rate is also Chinese medicine is around 9% and conventional medicine is 38%. And there are more right now. They have more and more study will show, and also the formal Chinese government report also shows the Chinese medicine have huge efficiency treatment results. This picture shows Chinese medicine doctors are treating the patients. And so for Chinese medicine, it's they already have some found the how to diagnose very quick, and the accuracy is very high. So that's the see here, I will show this on the video
they
later.
diagnose with pulse.
The pulse is very they have very unusual pulse, especially like the Chinese medicine have the pulse diagnosis in 3 positions. We say it is 寸关词 So in this coronavirus, those 2 points like positions have very special, very tight, like kind of the string tight the pulse.
Okay.
That's and of course have some details. We can feel it. It's
Right.
Have to have experiences.
You are trained to tell what that pulse means.
Yeah. This picture shows the pulse diagnosis in Chinese medicine. This is a doctor who found the spatial pulse diagnosis and the tongue diagnosis, and the following picture also provided by him. And this is pulse, and also combine the tongue diagnosis together. So you can see the tongue here,
Mm-hmm.
So that's
It's so yellow, lots of yellow coloring or white
and this
coating on the tongue.
You will come here. You already know how to look at the tongues,
Right.
Yeah. So
And
this
You mentioned before that the tongue, one thing that this sounds really distinctive is that appearance of thorns on the tongue. It looks like thorns on a plant.
So that's unusual than the
Right.
other, like the flu people that just cold, or people got a cold flu. They don't
Right.
have that one. And also so combine the pulse and the tongues diagnosis together. How
Right.
we can we can say, okay, this person who have the coronavirus or just general cold or flu.
Right.
Okay,
Distinguish the difference.
Yeah. Since I also have, I got the first-hand information, since I ordered the herbs already.
You have a lot of herbs back there. Ready to go.
When I ordered 3 weeks ago, and the herb company called me said, "Are you sure you want to order this? Maybe they are afraid I made a mistake
Right.
because maybe I double click the buttons."
I bet they don't think that now.
Right.
Given
That time
everything
probably
that's
that's too early, and
Yeah.
I already ordered. And like the day before yesterday, and they called, sent an email said the herbs maybe have some shortage now. So that's okay. So these are the herbs I used, huh?
And they, most of them taste very nice with hot water and honey, or you can put them in a smoothie, or you
Yeah.
can even just take
This,
them.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
is even lighter, huh? So we make some, I mix them together, huh? With whatever that and to give to people. That's what we use. So it's just very easy. Just mix with hot water.
Right.
So I would like to, so use that one. Like I can give you some, give you family
Yes.
some, to prevent, So that's even it's come attack to this area, but so we can still prepare for it.
Right.
How long have you used this?
Ever since we started at the end of August, and I use it every day.
Can you tell how this help your family? Like-
Yeah, so this is one method of traditional Chinese medicine that everybody likes in my house. Like, no, but there's nothing to be scared of. I mean, we are less sick. We are significantly less sick, and my kids used to take Claritin and Singulair every day. Now we don't take any of that. We take that wonderful cough syrup when it's available. That's so
That's-
fabulous.
Yeah, that's the one I prepared like in the beginning of this winter. Yeah, I already know that because this winter is hurts the lung the most.
Right.
So that's why I give the herb syrup to prevent
We
it.
love it. I told my daughter it has, or my husband actually told her it had raspberries and honey in it. she takes it. They both love the way it tastes. They will lick the whole spoon off. And when we're worried about being sick, we take it twice a day. So we do that and the moxibustion and foot baths, and those, and then the herbs I've discovered they really like in a smoothie. So we don't put any ice in the smoothie because we don't want it to be cold, but we just put like a fresh banana and berries and nuts in there. They will drink the herbs too.
And I remember you said you were usually the first one got the steak in your family, but this time you the last one you get steak.
Yes, that is different. Now I've weathered many sicknesses now with my family and haven't got.
So people actually can use this one at home. This herbs has been used in China for over 2,000 years. Research actually already shows the smell can kill the bacterial virus and the molds in the air and also in the house. So while people are doing the treatment, it also can help people clean the air, clean the house. So
And I thought it was useful to know that you can break it. It's very easy to break, and then I use about this much so that I can use one roll that will last 3 days. Unless if I really don't feel well, I use 2 at once in my little burner. And you can apply it directly to certain points.
Right,
Based on what you
yeah, like
recommend.
the bread and then put it here. Okay, so put the herb patch on the back, and so where the lung area is, and so this can help increase the lung functions. So what do you feel when you put this?
Oh
on
yeah,
your
there's
back?
a lot of warmth there. It feels wonderful.
Like the warm kind of keep
Yeah, it keeps coming.
coming into
Yeah.
your lung, huh?
Yes,
So-
and if you don't continue to feel the warmth for very long, then you have a problem. What's really significant is how much rest is required for good health, and I think that that's really different from how we are wired. Because I know that was one of the big changes that I had to make when I started coming in August. I exercised all the time, and I was working all the time and trying to improve myself all the time, and actually sort of digging myself into a hole by doing a lot of those things. So
Okay, so this is really to a health lifestyle. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
really good. health lifestyle can help you keep immune system getting stronger.
Right.
When do you go to sleep is much more important than how long you take sleep.
Right. So if I go to sleep at 1 in the morning and sleep until 10, that's not good. But if I were to go to sleep at 10 and wake up at 5, that would be fine.
Yeah.
Right.
So
Even though it's less sleep.
Yeah, I give you the apps and also I
Yeah.
tell you why.
Well,
Drink hot water. Actually, it also can help you for treat the flu and the coronavirus too.
Okay.
And actually, I got one information, one tip from my, we have a group like Chinese medicine doctor. We have a different groups. So this is one of the group, the people, and for this group, like a WeChat group, and one person forward his colleague, who is a doctor in the front line, and save that message. He just forward that one, said actually one coronavirus patient, he just drink hot water,
Okay.
a huge amount of hot water, and get cured.
Wow.
It's
Just from that.
just from that. I think that person probably is
Maybe a strong person.
yeah, he doesn't really have other problems, so just get infected. Maybe
Right.
probably also in the beginning, or so he just drinks huge amount of the hot water and they get
Okay.
cured. Of course, this can't be formally reported. It's just in our group, just
Right,
told
that's
by a
just
doctor over there.
anecdotal.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just but still from the doctor who really treated him.
Yeah.